So BJP is ready to eat one more party like Shiv Sena, NCP. Now it is the turn of TMC. So it is being speculated that almost 60 MLAs and 20 MPs of the party are ready and set to join BJP. So आज समझेंगे क्या कहता है इंडिया का एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ. It was brought in 1985 to prevent the destabilization of governments and encourage political morality in this country. Parliament has introduced 10th schedule. इसमें बताया गया है कि कब कोई भी MLA और MP disqualify होगा. So every house has three types of member. One is elected member from any party symbol. Another is independent member. Second is nominated member by governor or presidents. So सबसे पहले आते हैं elected member on party symbol. So if any elected member is voluntarily resigning from his membership, then they are disqualified. Second is if any member is voting against the party whip और एबसेंट रहता है वोट करने से एंड उस पार्टी उसको 15 दिन के अंदर माफ़ नहीं करती है. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन इलेक्टेड मेंबर हैज़ टू लूज हिज सीट. अब आते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट. इफ़ यू आर एन इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट, आप चुनाव जीत कर आते हैं विदाउट एनी पार्टी सिंबल एंड आफ्टर विनिंग इलेक्शन इफ यू आर थिंकिंग टू ज्वाइन एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, सो वंस यू ज्वाइन एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज immediately you have to lose your membership from that house. If you are a nominated member by president or governor, and if you are choosing any party after your nomination within 6 months of your nomination, then it is allowed, but after 6 months you have to lose a membership from that house. So this is a para 2 of 10 schedule which talks about disqualification. The real twist come under para 4 which talks about merger. Earlier we have provisions in para 3 which talks about split, but now it has been amended. अब मान लो सिर्फ 5 लोग पार्टी छोड़ते हैं, then defection simple. बट अगर 40 लोग छोड़ते हैं, देन नाउ हियर अराइज सम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्रामा. एक टाइम था जब लॉ मेकर्स ने बोला था इंडिविजुअल डिफेक्शन बुरी है, बट अगर बड़ा ग्रुप जा रहा है तो हो सकता है जेन्युइन डिसएग्रीमेंट्स हो. सो जस्ट टू अश्योर दिस जेन्युइन डिसएग्रीमेंट देयर इज अ पैरा 4 विच टॉक्स अबाउट दिस. So merger under para 4 follows a magical number. The number is 2/3. It means that whatever number of members in that house, if 2/3 of that members from a house are defecting or leaving that party, then you are saved, then you will not be disqualified. Now here comes one more confusion between legislative party and political party. Political party it means जो normal party है. लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी मीन्स द पार्टी इनसाइड द हाउस. सो अगर 20 MP कह रहे हैं दे आर गोइंग टू ज्वाइन, दे आर गोइंग टू मर्ज विद अनदर पार्टी, लेट्स से बीजेपी और एनी अदर पार्टी, देन दे आर सेव्ड फ्रॉम डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन बिकॉज लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी इज नॉट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज बिगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो जस्ट बिकॉज फ्यू MPs and MLAs have defected, they cannot claim over the real party. And this is the current uncertainty revolves around the anti-defection law. So now there is two groups in TMC, rebel group and actual TMC. So rebel group definitely going to claim inside the parliament that they are the real party because by the law, by the terms of the law, they have 2/3 majority those who are supporting them. And I think there is uncertainty and it is bleak area of law.